Welcome to our channel. Real IELTS begins here.
Listening Part 2. Now, listen carefully and answer the questions as you hear the information.
Welcome, everyone, to our Community Fitness Club orientation. Today, I'll provide an overview of our facilities, classes, and opportunities for members, as well as some exciting new programs we've recently introduced. Whether you are new to fitness or an experienced athlete, we believe there's something here for everyone. First, let me start by mentioning the gym equipment. Most of our machines are brand new, having been upgraded just a few months ago. However, a couple of machines are currently under maintenance due to wear and tear, but rest assured they will be up and running within the next week. We're committed to ensuring that all our equipment is in excellent condition so that you can make the most of your workouts. Now, let's talk about our group fitness classes. These classes are one of the most popular features of our club, offering a variety of sessions including aerobics, Pilates, and strength training. However, because spaces are limited, you'll need to register in advance. You can easily do this online through our website or by speaking to a staff member at the front desk. As for our opening hours, we try to accommodate everyone's busy schedules. We're open every day, including weekends, from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. This means you have the flexibility to work out before heading to work during your lunch break or even late in the evening. Next, let me highlight two main attractions that make our club stand out. First, we have a dedicated yoga studio that is fully equipped with mats, blocks, and mirrors to help you perfect your poses. It's considered one of the best yoga studios in the area, and we offer classes for all skill levels. Second, for those looking for something a little more adventurous, we have indoor rock, climbing walls. These walls are designed to challenge both beginners and advanced climbers, making them a great way to combine fun and fitness. Finally, I want to talk about the opportunities for those interested in volunteering at our club. There are a variety of roles available, each requiring different skills. For example, organizing a charity run involves strong organizational skills to ensure the event runs smoothly. If you prefer something more physical, leading hiking groups requires a good level of fitness and enthusiasm for the outdoors. Teaching children's sports programs demands patience and teamwork, as working with kids can be both fun and challenging. For those interested in managing our health and wellness workshops, a good knowledge of nutrition is essential to provide accurate and helpful information. Lastly, if you're planning to coach beginner swimmers, basic first aid knowledge is a must to ensure everyone's safety. We believe volunteering here is a great way to give back to the community while learning valuable skills and staying active. Thank you for listening. And please don't hesitate to ask questions at the end of the session.
We've just completed listening Part 2, and now it's time to go through the questions in detail. Let's break down each one, analyze the options, and understand why the correct answers are what they are. This will help you sharpen your listening skills and avoid common mistakes in the future. So, let's dive into the solutions.
Question 11. Why does the speaker mention the gym equipment? Option A. The speaker explicitly mentions. Most of our machines are brand new, having been upgraded just a few months ago. This phrase draws attention to the brand new and makes test takers think this is the key point. It is easy to mistake this detail as the answer, especially since it is mentioned first. While the speaker highlights that most machines are new, the main point is about the maintenance issues on a couple of machines. The focus shifts to maintenance immediately after the brand new is mentioned. Option C. The mention of some machines being under maintenance might create the illusion that equipment is unavailable for use, which could be interpreted as a shortage. Test takers might overgeneralize the information and assume not enough equipment aligns with this statement. The speaker never mentions a lack of equipment overall. Instead, they only discuss a temporary maintenance issue for a small number of machines. Option B. The speaker explicitly says, a couple of machines are currently under maintenance due to wear and tear, but rest assured they will be up and running within the next week. This directly aligns with option B. Question 12. What does the speaker say about the group fitness classes? Option A. While the speaker describes the classes as popular and available, there is no mention of the classes being free for members. Including the word popular might distract listeners into thinking they are free, but this is never stated. Option B. The speaker explicitly says you'll need to register in advance due to limited spaces. This statement directly corresponds to option B, they require pre-registration. Option C. The speaker never restricts the classes to weekends. The opening hours of the gym, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day, suggest that the classes are likely offered on both weekdays and weekends. This is an example of an option that seems plausible but contradicts the provided information. Question 13. Option A. There is no mention of the hours changing every month. The speaker explicitly says the hours are consistent, dismissing the idea that they vary monthly. Option B. The speaker does not suggest longer hours on weekdays. The opening hours are clearly stated as 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day, including weekends. This makes B incorrect because the hours are uniform across all days. Option C. The speaker clearly states, we're open every day, including weekends, from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. This explicitly confirms that the opening hours remain the same every day, aligning perfectly with option C. Question 14 to 15. Option A swimming pool. Many fitness clubs have swimming pools, so test takers might assume it is one of the attractions. The speaker does not mention a swimming pool anywhere in the recording. Option B, a sauna and steam room. Test takers might expect these facilities to be included as main attractions. Although these are common features in fitness clubs, the speaker does not mention them. Option C, a rock climbing wall. The speaker explicitly mentions indoor rock climbing walls as one of the club's main attractions. The phrase designed to challenge both beginners and advanced climbers highlights its uniqueness and appeal. Option D, a dedicated yoga studio. The speaker also highlights a dedicated yoga studio, describing it as fully equipped and one of the best in the area. The details about mats, blocks, and mirrors, and its suitability for all skill levels make it clear that this is a significant facility. Question 16. Organizing a charity run. Organizational skills. So, for organizing a charity run, the speaker clearly says that it requires strong organizational skills to make sure everything runs smoothly. This makes total sense, right? A charity run involves planning routes, coordinating participants, and managing schedules, so naturally, organizational skills are essential here. Question 17. Leading a hiking group. A good level of fitness. Now, for leading a hiking group, the speaker emphasizes that a good level of fitness is necessary. After all, hiking can be physically demanding, and the leader needs to keep up with the group and ensure everyone's safety. Plus, the speaker also mentions enthusiasm for the outdoors, which ties into being physically prepared for the activity. Question 18. Teaching children sports. Patience and teamwork. Teaching kids sports, this one's a classic example. The speaker points out that working with children demands patience and teamwork. It's pretty clear why, right? Kids can be unpredictable and full of energy, so you need patience to guide them and teamwork to keep everything running smoothly. It's definitely not something you can handle alone. Question 19. Managing health workshops. And knowledge of nutrition. For managing health workshops, the speaker says that having a good knowledge of nutrition is essential. Think about it, These workshops are meant to educate people about health and wellness, so the organizer needs to provide accurate, helpful information. Without a solid understanding of nutrition, it would be hard to make these workshops effective. Question 20. Coaching beginner swimmers basic first aid knowledge. And finally, for coaching beginner swimmers, the speaker mentions that basic first aid knowledge is a must. This is really important because we're dealing with water safety here. If something goes wrong, even if it's just a minor issue, the coach needs to know how to handle it quickly. It's all about ensuring everyone feels safe and confident in the water.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more IELTS practice materials. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. See you in the next video.